In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can enable and use voice chat in Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch 2. For more Fortnite Nintendo Switch videos, make sure you like the video and subscribe. It really does help out the channel. Now, what you're going to want to do first is actually exit out of Fortnite and head to the home menu on your Switch 2. Scroll down and find System Settings on the very bottom and open it up. And on the left side menu, go ahead and scroll down until you find Audio Settings. What you're going to want to do here is actually set the input microphone to automatic. This is usually going to use in your built-in mic, but if you're using a Switch 2 Pro controller, you can also plug in your headset directly into that audio jack on the controller to use its mic. Next, go ahead and make sure microphone noise suppression is turned on and that your input volume is turned up. Once that's done, you can go ahead and exit back to the home menu and launch Fortnite. When you're in the game, go ahead and hit that plus button on your controller to bring up the side menu and scroll all the way down until you find settings and open that up. From here, navigate to that audio tab and scroll down on this page until you find voice chat volume and make sure it's turned all the way up so that you can hear others. Go to the communication tab, one tab over, and find the voice chat settings. And what you're going to want to do here is first, make sure it is not set to off, and then go ahead and choose between friends only, friends and teammates, or everybody. I'm going to set it to everybody. Now for this voice chat method, make sure you're not muted, and then select open mic right here instead of push to talk, but do really whatever you prefer. I'm going to leave it open mic for now, and also I would recommend turning on voice chat notifications so you'll know when someone is speaking. When you're done, go ahead and press X to apply whatever settings you might have just adjusted. And now when you jump into a match, your mic is automatically going to be able to be used for voice chat. If this video tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.